How to cancel NGL Pro Subscription. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily cancel your NGL Pro subscription. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your NGL app and make sure that you're into your account. And once you do that, you just want to head over to the inbox section. And if you have gotten a new message, you want to see who has sent you the message. So just tap on who sent these. Now here you'll have the option to unlock for a pro subscription. Now here you'll have an option to add credit or debit card, and if you already have your subscription, then you can simply go ahead and cancel it on your Play Store. So go ahead and open up your Play Store app and then tap on your profile, then simply head over to payment and subscription and then tap on subscriptions. So if you have any subscriptions of the app that is added from your cart on the Play Store, it will show up right here. So you can cancel the subscription from right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.